Hi, I'm Rahul from Quicklert's business development team. In this video, I'll be taking you through the feed page of the Connect app. The feed page is where you can see all messages, alerts, and notifications. Here, we'll explore the feed page and all it has to offer you. I'll also be showing you how to send a message and start a panic alert. Let's get started. Upon logging in, you'll immediately see the feed page. To get a more concise view of your Quicklerts, use the filter in the top left corner. This filter lets you filter for all Quicklerts, your Quicklerts, active Quicklerts, notifications, and cleared Quicklerts. Now you might be asking, what is a Quicklert? A Quicklert is just another term we use for any message, alert, or notification. To the right of the filter, you'll see a pencil icon for sending messages. I'll walk you through that process in a bit. Next to send a message is a refresh button that you can use to update your feed. Following is a search icon you can use to search for specific messages. Below is a list of Quicklerts. Here you can see the sender of the message, the subject, when it was sent, and the priority level of each message. Now let's go ahead and create a new message. Click on the pencil icon and the compose message page will appear on the right side. Let's say that I'm a high school principal throwing a surprise pizza party after school for my students. At the top I'll click to select groups I want to send the message to. In this case it will be the all students and all teachers groups. I'm also able to copy and paste emails or phone numbers right here. If I want to import a group of external emails or users, I can use this import function to upload an Excel sheet containing a list of contacts. For subject, I'll type in surprise pizza party to make sure everyone can immediately see what I have planned. Then in the message, I'll add some additional context so they know what to expect. Things like time, place, and the different kinds of pizza we'll have. Now we can look at all these different options we have on the top. First is the campaign message feature. This feature allows you to add an additional message with user responses for email, SMS, and call-out contacts. To see the campaign message feature in detail, click on the video on the screen. Next, we have the reply icon, which allows us to enable or disable replies. We'll leave them enabled for this message. The location icon allows you to attach your location to the message. We'll also leave this setting enabled. Next is the priority level. I'll set this to a normal priority. For a message that is absolutely vital for people to see, you should use a higher priority level, like warning or critical. On the right side, we have an option to attach media. I have an option to attach an audio, image, or video to my message. I'm going to click on the image tab and then the upload icon to upload my photo. I also have the option to take a new photo with my device using the camera icon or select from an existing list of images. The video tab works the same way as the images. In audio, you have the option to choose from an existing list of audios, upload from your computer, or record a new one. Click on the microphone to begin a new recording. Now say what you'd like to record and then press the stop icon. To listen to the audio, click on the play button. To re-record the audio, click on the microphone. Once done, you can enter a description for it and then click save. Now select what you want to attach and click done. And just click send and your message is off. Now let's take a closer look at a message. Click on the message and the full view will expand on the right. At the very top in the header, it shows us who or what device sent this message. Beneath, we have the recipients of the message. Beneath the recipients, you may or may not see the location the message was sent from. This depends on the message configuration as we saw earlier in the video. Clicking on the location reveals the location on the map. In the top right, you'll see when this message was sent as well as a three-dot icon. Clicking on it gives you an option to delete or export the message. Below is the message itself and its priority. If the sender allows replies, they will show up here on the right. To write your own reply, click in the reply message text box towards the bottom of the page. Type out your response and hit send. Finally, we have a button in the bottom left corner to start a panic alert. To start a panic alert, click on the bell icon. This will open a 5-second countdown, which allows you to cancel a panic alert if you have done it by accident. After the countdown is done, your panic alert will be triggered. You will see that it is running by the ripple animation. To stop the panic alert, click on the bell icon. And that wraps up today's video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.